Difference between jig and fixture. Function: jig guides and controls the tool during the operation, ensuring precise tool movement and path adherence. Fixture holds and locates the workpiece during the operation, ensuring stability and preventing movement. Primary purpose: jig ensures accurate and repeatable machining, allowing for consistent results across multiple workpieces. Fixture provides stability and support for the workpiece, maintaining a fixed position during operations. Attachment: jig attaches to the tool or machine, acting as an extension of the tool for controlled motion. Fixture is attaches to the workpiece or machine, securing the workpiece in place for stability. Variability: jigs are used when multiple operations are required, and adaptable to different cutting or machining techniques. Fixtures are used when the same operation is repeated, offering a consistent setup for repetitive tasks. Example analogy: jigs: think of a guiding hand while writing with a pen, ensuring the pen follows a specific path for neat writing. Fixtures can be: think of a sturdy table holding a puzzle in place, providing a stable base for consistent assembly. Common application: jigs are used drilling, tapping, and milling operations where precision and repeatability are crucial. Fixtures are used welding, grinding, and assembly operations where stability and a fixed setup are essential. Adjustability: jig are usually adjustable to accommodate various sizes and shapes of workpieces. Fixtures are often designed for a specific workpiece size and shape, providing a constant setup. Complexity: jigs are typically simpler in design, focusing on guiding the tool for accurate cuts. Fixtures may be more complex due to the need for stability, especially in heavy-duty or specialized applications. Cost: jig are generally less expensive, as it focuses on guiding the tool rather than providing stability to the workpiece. Fixtures might be more expensive due to robust construction, ensuring durability and reliability in holding workpieces. Workpiece orientation: jig guides the tool relative to the workpiece, ensuring precise control over the machining operation. Fixture holds the workpiece in a fixed position, providing